Let's start with Chofetz Chaim. And it says, Sefer Chofetz Chaim, big topic for the subject's benefit. So we're allowed to talk Lashon Hara if this person is going to benefit. So basically, we're trying to help him. Passing judgment. Before assuming that a person's action merits tachacha, reproof, reproof is a better word, one must be absolutely certain that he has in fact sinned. So first of all, we need to know the halacha, and we need to know that he did something wrong. From the command, judge your fellow favorably, in Vayikra 19:15, we learn that if person appears to be committed transgression, which is totally out of the character for him, we are to seek to understand what transpired in a positive light. If there is any way to interpret his actions as involving transgression, we are required to do so. Not involving transgression, we are required to do so. So what does it mean? So basically, you know, this person is a kosher Shomer Shabbos person, and he does something like out of ordinary. What he's doing, he's going into his car and start driving somewhere. So it's been a Jewish custom for some time. So if you have emergency, you need to go somewhere on Shabbos. So you put talis, right? Talis on top of your head, so to show everybody that you're aware that today's Shabbos. I know that I'm driving, right? So that like signal of distress, basically, right? So I must drive on Shabbos. So if you know that there's a kosher person and he does so we must judge him favorably. Okay. If it is absolute, if there is a possible, so if he drives on Shabbos, there is probably maybe his wife is giving birth, maybe his child broke his leg. I mean, many scenarios, right? So that's very simple to judge him favorably. It is absolutely clear that the person did sin. If it is absolutely clear that the person did sin in a manner which is out of the character for him, then we must assume that he immediately regretted his action and thereby repented. To discuss the incident with anyone constitutes speaking Lashon Hara. So here's a different scenario. So okay, we know that he's very righteous person and he did something, and there is no any other explanation as he actually did something wrong, right? So, but still, if he's a righteous person, we should assume that he did tshuva, and that's it. It was 1 second, whatever, 5 seconds, 5 minutes, whatever he did. Now he did tshuva. He's totally forgiven if it's a positive thing or negative. Okay, it's on suspension, whatever, until the Yom Kippur, basically. But the thing is, I mean, he's forgiven. So Hashem forgave him, and we still insist. That's a problem. All right. So we stop here.